Hello. My first recording failed and I'm tired. I'm angry. I don't like this. Now it better work this time. The audio was turned off, so nobody could hear my voice. So anyways, I kinda already saw like the first thing. I kinda already saw the first sequence, but basically the story goes like Tyke in Chipper's Sons, the father tree, the beavers lived in harmony, blah blah blah, until Chipper went missing. Then when Chipper went missing, all the beavers tried to find him, but they couldn't find him, and he's still missing. And yeah, and now I have to build these Chipomats. So yeah, pretty much the rundown of what happened. You definitely need to download this game for yourself because it's pretty good. Little sound they make it so annoying, bro. So anyways. Alright. What a rough day. Do you want to go to bed? It wasn't even that rough, but sure, I'm gonna go to bed. Alright, let me open the cabin for you. I'll probably post the video with like no voice commentary on it. And I'll just call this part 2. So anyways, take your toys to the room upstairs. I'll take the attic. Good night, son. Later that night, here comes the FNAF element. Remember, I gotta beat this night for under 10 minutes because I'm using Bandicam. Alright. How do you close the curtain? Alright, hold your right mouse. Okay. Alright. Give me the battery. I don't see anything. I think it's fine. Everything looks fine. I already need new batteries. Alright. Nothing really is nowhere, so that's good. What is that noise? I don't see anybody. I think it'll show me like a little prompt on the map when they show up, so. Aww. Little cute thing. Ah! Jesus! That does not make me assured that I can sleep. Now without getting eaten by one of those things. Alright. First night not going that bad. Not going that bad. Using Bandicam. Probably gonna have to change from Bandicam because of the 10-minute thing. Woo! Why is my sleep assurance going down, I think? Wait, is that thing from FNAF World? Yeah, it's that potted thing. It's that pot plant thing. Forgot what it was called, but it's there. Yep, I can hear knocking. Get away, bro. What's up there? Why do I keep going upstairs to get batteries? Every time I come back downstairs, there's like something popping off. Look, I bet you he right there still. Bro. Alright. Toy robot, and then batteries. Take the batteries, go downstairs. Check around. It's night 1, and my sleep assurance is still full. Go away, bro. Why is my sleep assurance still high? Let me go to sleep. Why is there a lump in my bed? Who's sleeping in my bed? I'm gonna run out of time soon. I don't know if that's game or real life, but I hear something. It's over here. Can you like get off my back, you absolute bum? Get the little battery and go back downstairs. Like, how can Tyke not hear this? Is Tyke that old? There's no way he can't not hear this. Just not hear this at all. Bye-bye. That's it. What is up with my sleep assurance? Go to sleep. Press B to go to bed. Alright. First night beaten. Alright. I'll play a little bit of the next night, and then I'm pretty sure I have to end the recording there. 1, 2. Alright. So I have to go get him a mixed chiato to go. Click on certain objects, you can find coins. Oh yeah, about the trees, plant as many as you can. Water isn't the only thing that makes them grow. No, patience is the key to success. That's all I wanted to say. And don't forget about the mixed chiato. So, I think I'm gonna be running out of time soon. So, I'll see you guys in the next episode of Tyke and Lumber Co. Bye-bye.